Peerless Ratchet Load Binder Plus. Ratchet load binders offer enhanced mechanical advantage and superior safety compared to lever load binders for securing loads. Their straightforward design, cost-effectiveness, and exceptional durability make them the preferred choice for securing heavy machinery. Unlike standard load binders, our Peerless Ratchet Load Binder Plus has higher strength ratings and is compatible with grade 70 transport and grade 80 alloy tie-down chains. This premium binder features high-quality yellow chromate zinc-plated hooks. Our customers use the Peerless Ratchet Load Binder Plus to secure heavy machinery for transport. Our load binders meet all DOT, CVSA, and CCMTA requirements. They're available in 3 sizes, which are compatible with chain sizes ranging from 5/16 to 5/8 inch, and in working load limits from 7,100 to 18,100 pounds. When it comes to heavy-duty load securement, you can trust the strength and durability of the Peerless Ratchet Load Binder Plus.